Hey Bees, what's up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. So obviously you guys know because of COVID, we haven't really been able to go to places that we typically go to, doing appointments like hair appointments, nail appointments. So that being said, I thought for today's video, it would be so fun to kind of challenge myself and see just how many things I can do on my own. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair purple, like lavender lilac. You guys know it's my absolute favorite color. I'm also gonna teach you guys how to thread your own eyebrows. If you don't know, I've been doing eyebrow threading for like over 15 years. So I'm gonna teach you how to maintain your little caterpillars. I'm also going to be doing a really highly requested nail tutorial, and I'm also going to be taking you guys through how I maintain a clean and white smile, especially while being in quarantine, because we've all been skipping our dentist appointments, especially during this time right now. So as I mentioned, I'm used to going to see my dental hygienist every few months because I really love the feeling and the thorough clean look that I get after I leave a dentist's office. I've been struggling for so long to get that like dentist clean feeling right at home, and I'm so excited. Today's sponsor is literally a match made in heaven to fix this problem for me. Today's sponsor is actually Oral-B. So here's a very exclusive sneak peek of the newest toothbrush from Oral-B. It is so exclusive, it hasn't even been released in Canada yet as of June 2020. It is the sleek looking Oral-B IO, which has so many innovative features. It literally has everything that I've ever wanted in a toothbrush. You guys know me, I just have a thing for gadgets. I love my Apple Watch, I use it all the time. I just really love having tools that I feel like optimize my time and my performance in every aspect of life. And this toothbrush just totally fits into my lifestyle of that. I love the sleekness of it. I love how edgy and techy it is. I turn it on, it greets you with a little smiley face, and it has an amazing interactive display that just makes brushing so much easier. Super easy to navigate the different types of cleaning you can use this brush for. If your dentists haven't harassed you about it already, you should be brushing for at least 2 minutes every single day. And a feature I personally really love about it is it has an automatic timer in the toothbrush already. And even better, you guys see how this toothbrush right here has a glowing ring. This ring actually activates when you're brushing your teeth as well. So if you're putting too much pressure on your teeth, the ring will turn red. It is telling you to loosen up your grip, don't brush as hard, and that's the function of the really smart pressure sensor. So when I go and lighten up my grip, I'm gonna see that the ring instead is gonna turn green, and that way you know that you're using the perfect amount of pressure so you don't damage your gums or your enamel. And as a perfect pairing, Oral-B actually has an app that syncs with this toothbrush. So as you go in and you brush, there's really smart AI technology that can literally tell you what spots you missed in your mouth. For all of you gadget lovers, you are really gonna love this toothbrush. There's been so many years of research done in Germany to develop this product. It leaves your mouth feeling super clean, your teeth really white, and it's also super silent, which is a great way to start your morning and end your night. Even though this product is not available in Canada just yet, I do have a link down below in the description where you guys can sign up for updates and VIP exclusivity. And in July of 2020, everybody here in Canada can go and shop these toothbrushes for yourself and all of your favorite local retail stores. Sign up at io.oralb.ca for private offers exclusively for IO VIPs. So with all that, after giving my teeth a nice cleaning and whitening session, we're gonna move on to our next makeover process. Alright you guys, so now that my teeth are all clean and pearly white, it's time to add some color into this hair. I can't believe I'm gonna attempt to dye something by myself. I'm kind of scared, kind of excited at the same time, and let's just hope it turns out well. As you guys can see, my color is kind of grown out, especially in the bangs area. It kind of has a yellowy, orangey undertone, which I don't like at all. So I thought it would be really exciting to go and try to dye my hair actual purple, and then if it would fade, hopefully it would fade into like a silvery ashy color. I went to Sally's yesterday and this is the color that I picked up. It is the Arctic Fox Girls Night color, and it's supposed to be this like lavender lilac pastel shade, but only concern I have is that everybody tried this color on platinum hair, and obviously my hair is not platinum. I'm more of a brunette than anything else. That's why I'm a little bit skeptical to see how this is gonna turn out. Before we start dyeing, I don't want to be wearing white, so let's just fix that. I'm just wearing a t-shirt that I just don't really care about if it gets dirty, if it gets stained. Wear protective gloves, apply color evenly, working in small sections. Why am I doing this? Like, what am I trying to prove to myself? Alright, I took off the squeezer bottle because I feel like I'm just gonna use the whole thing. That's how the color is looking. It's honestly not that pigmented, like not that dark. So I don't know if this is gonna catch well. I just don't know like how much of the color you're supposed to be doing. Color can't lift color, so 100% this is not going to turn out lighter than what I had before. I think I'm going to let it sit maybe for like an hour and a half, but I'll update you guys, and I'm excited to see what the color is going to look like. So it's been about an hour later. I've just been doing some stuff around the house. Here's the update of how it's looking with the color in. To be honest, you guys, not looking so pastel-y, I gotta say. So I'm gonna flip my head in the tub and give my hair a nice rinse. Probably only do shampoo once since I already showered yesterday. Okay, so I'm in my kitchen now. I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a bit. It definitely looks dark, but I know from experience that when hair is wet, it always looks darker. So while I'm waiting for my hair to air dry, I'm just gonna go and do my nails. And this has been so highly requested, you guys. I just have so many fun stuff to play with, and honestly some really fun colors too. And this is the little lamp I'm going to be using to actually cure my nails. So finally showing you guys my DIY gel nails tutorial. First off, obviously I'm starting off with clean nails and I'm just filing them down to my desired shape. Then you're going to want to take a buffer. I just like to buff out my nails because the nail polish sticks much better this way. Before getting started with the actual polishes, you're going to want to apply a 70% alcohol pad on your nails just to remove any excess grease or oil on your cuticle. The gel polishes I'm going to be using are from OPI. I love them. I feel like they cure so well and the color is super shiny and nice. Obviously starting off with the basic gel OPI base coat. I'm trying to apply a super thin layer, and if you don't want your gel to peel, you want to make sure that the polish is only touching your nail. You're going to cure that for 30 seconds and then I'm going to go in with the first layer of color. This is the color It's a Boy by OPI. I definitely need to do 2 layers of this, so I'm going to cure the first layer and then go in with the second layer of polish. Again, you guys, if you get your skin, make sure to wipe that off before you put it under the lamp and before you cure it. After curing that for 60 more seconds, I'm just grabbing a plain white color from OPI and I'm going to put it on a little piece of material to help me when I go in with my dotted tool. So this dotted tool just has 2 little circles on the ends, and as you can see, you can create little dots and designs using this tool. So I'm just dipping it into that white color, and this is the design I found on Pinterest that I'm trying to follow, and it's pretty much making little clouds. It is super easy and I love the way that this turned out. I tried to do a different formation on every single nail, and I even got the edges of the nail to look like the clouds are kind of coming in. Curing that for 60 more seconds. Now that you're done, you can go in and do your top coat. So obviously the top coat is super important because it makes the manicure look really shiny, and that is the finished design. I'm gonna go in, cure it one more time, and then grabbing an alcohol pad again, you're gonna want to wipe down your nails to get rid of all that sticky residue and leave you off with a beautiful shiny manicure.
All I do is adore you all of the time.
Am I mad about it? No. Do I think it could have gone better? Definitely. Here's how the hair is looking, you guys. You can definitely see a little bit of a purplish tint. Nothing close to lavender or lilac at all. But what did I expect? I'm a brunette, so it's definitely gonna fade out, but hey, at least there is no more orange. So color-wise, I'm okay with that. I never really like my hair straight, so I'm quickly gonna go ahead and wave it, and I'm gonna show you guys the tutorial of how I do this. I get so many different questions on how I curl and wave my hair, and later on we're actually gonna go and choose an outfit. I actually did a lot of online thrift shopping. You guys can see right over here. So I'm gonna go and show you all my cute pastel thrift finds, and then hopefully we can put together a nice outfit to complete the whole transformation. It's the Bedhead 1-inch curling wand, and I absolutely love the waves that this does. So I'm gonna hold the wand upside down like this. I'm gonna do 1-2 wraps on the wand, hold it for a few seconds. After letting go, I'm gonna bring it lower down, and 1-2 wraps on the bottom part of the hair. Let that go. And then that way, instead of getting those Shirley Temple curls, you get these really pretty nice waves.
If I may, I'd like to love you.
Alright you guys, so now it's time for me to show you how I do my brows. My great-grandmother taught my grandmother, who taught my mom, who taught me how to do eyebrow threading. All you're going to be needing is thread. Ideally you do want to have cotton thread because that one is the one that's most thick. You're going to want the string about this long, and then you're just going to make a loop. Basically just tie a regular knot so that you can make yourself a little circle of thread. And then the next part is going to be the real easy part. Basically all you're going to be doing is taking one of the sides and twisting it about 3 or 4 times. So now that you have this H shape, you're going to put your index finger and your thumb through each of the sides, and this is pretty much the threading movement you're going to want to master. It's literally just open, open, open one side, open the other side, open one side, open the other side. And as you do that, pretty much the string is going to be able to pull out hairs. If you don't feel confident enough to go with your eyebrows right away, I would just suggest try it on your face. You can literally go like this on your chin, and you can see it's actually pulling out the hairs. But once you really start practicing it, you can go in and do the top of your brows. I'm just gonna lay the thread against the brow and pull.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day.
voila, perfectly groomed, slightly bushy brows. Wow, you guys, I actually don't think I ever moved around this much in one video. By the way, I don't know if I officially showed you guys my nails in person, but they're so cute. They're like little blue clouds. So fun. You guys know how much I've been loving pastels right now. But anyway, to add the little cherry on top for finishing up our makeover, I thought I would go and show you some of my new clothes and then choose one of the items to actually wear as a new outfit. So there's a bunch of things that I recently got from some online thrift stores, Depop and Poshmark and some other online shops. First off, I got some tank tops. This one I'm pretty sure it's a child's top, but when I saw it on Depop, I thought that it was so cute. It also looks like a Brandy Melville crop top because they've been doing a lot of these like mini flowery patterns so much lately. And then this tank I found, I think for like $7 on a Poshmark. It's in the perfect pastel pink color, and as you can see, it has some of this rainbow detailing right here. Then this next top I thought was so cool too. A sleeveless vest style, but look at this beautiful, almost pastel orange color. This one I couldn't pass up when I saw it on Depop because it just reminded me like something from the early 2000s. This is something you would have seen on Lizzie McGuire for sure. It has the bow tie detail and this thin ruffle trim. Then I bought two cardigans in colors that I really wanted as well. First one is this perfect blue. This one is also 100% cashmere. I think I got it for $25, which is such a steal for 100% cashmere. And then one cardigan I was missing was a green one. Lately I've been really liking the look of tying cardigans and tying sweatshirts to kind of wear as accessories. And then this dress I think was my favorite thing that I found. I got it for $12 on Poshmark. Look at this beautiful little mini dress. Has the thin spaghetti straps, a straight across neckline. Like this is such a 90s style dress. I love it. And right here at the end of the dress you can see the exposed slip at the bottom, and it has really cool ruching on the mesh part too. And then the last thing I actually ended up picking up, I got a bunch of headscarves. I've just been loving the look of headscarves so far. So here's a blue plaid one that I think it looks so nice. This pink one I actually already wore in my birthday post, and I like the way that that looked. I have this amazing flower lavender one too. This green polka dot one of my favorites. It goes so well with that cardigan I showed you earlier. And then this one is so cool because it just has a bunch of different colors. I feel like they look so cute. They're the perfect summer accessory and they really amp up every single look. I just paired the jeans that I was wearing with the little blue tank top that I showed you, and I tied my cardigan here at the front. I gotta admit, you guys, I actually love the hair. Obviously it's not purple like I wanted, but maybe it wasn't meant to be. Maybe it was gonna look really bad. But there's no more yellow tones. Instead I kind of have this slightly purple ashy undertone, which I actually like. I think it looks really pretty. I mean, compared to how my hair was looking at the beginning of the video, can't complain. What a day. Who knew grooming yourself could take so long? Like the sun has literally set at this point. But anyway, I'm so happy that I'm finally groomed and somewhat ready to leave my house if I need to now. And just like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, just like I start my mornings with my Oral-B iO toothbrush, I'm gonna be ending my night with it today too. Gonna be doing a quick cleaning session to maintain my pearly whites. Once again, you guys, this is not yet available in Canada, but I highly recommend you check out the link down below in the description, or you can just sign up at io.oralb.ca for exclusive offers and deals for when this product does launch here in Canada. A toothbrush is something that you guys are going to be using every day and hopefully multiple times a day, and all the amazing features like the frictionless magnetic drive and just the totally customizable experience is going to make toothbrushing not so much of a chore. With the sleek, clean, and modern design, this toothbrush is the best addition to anybody looking for the newest and the best piece of technology and style. Whether at home or on the go, Oral-B's got you. It greets you with a smiley face. It tells you goodnight with a smiley face too. So with all that, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a really big thumbs up if you did. Go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't already to join the amazing family, and let me know what you guys think of my hair. I mean, I know it was a fail, but how much of a fail was it on a scale of 1 to 10? Either way, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!